Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to come on to take part in Susan's open collaboration. I believe it's a new one this year. It is hashtag hearts all year, and who doesn't love hearts? I mean, I love hearts. I have this container full of hearts, and I wanted to shop my stash and see what I have for Valentine's, or just to create with hearts. So this open collaboration is with Susan from at Susan's Heartstrings, and Terry over at Talon's place. And I'll have both of their links down below and a hashtag in my title, so you can go check out everybody's hearts. So what a wonderful collaboration, Susan. You know, I think everybody in this community, crafty community, it just loves crafting for, Valentine's Day. And we love hearts. We love, galatine. um, so this came out at a perfect time. So I am shopping my stash, and that's not anything heart related. That's just, so I do have, I'm going to add a few more items that I've gotten for Valentine's Day. Okay. So, I mean, I have reduced a lot of my Valentine's stuff. Or I've gone through things that I thought I would never buy again. Or, yeah. I want to get those envelopes. I don't think I have any. Oh, no, I think I do have. Never mind. I have some. Okay, I thought I did not have them. See, I'm going through my stuff knowing what I don't have and what I have. Okay, so these two are fairly new. These are two hearts, doily and corrugated hearts from Hobby Lobby. And these were some things that I do not have in my stash. I don't think I do. And I wanted to include this year. And by the way, well, at the time, it was 40% off. It probably still is because it's their seasonal. It's not like Paper Studio. They kind of switch off when they put them on sale. I got some felt hearts, these puffy hearts, and I don't want to take them out because it's going to make a lot of noise. And some envelopes. I never used them, so I need to use them this year. These are new at the Dollar Tree this year, and I just picked up a bunch of, well, I bought 2 packs of them. Hopefully I can give them in Happy Mail, and because I have quite a bit of them. And I really love how these are all different colors. They're not just your normal red and white, which I do have some of those, and those are like my everyday crafting. But these, I guess I could use these every day, but I want to keep all my heart stuff in one place. Okay, so I bought those this year, as you know. I do have stamps. So these are from the Dollar Tree that, these are from Target. Yeah, these are from Target. They're not this year. This is from years past. Here are more handmade with love. Cute. I need to use these. And this is also from Target. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, I love the Eiffel Tower. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm glad I'm going through here some word letters from the Dollar Spot back in the day. So it's nice to go through your stuff and see what you have, so you can get inspired. And then I have some heart little baggies for like goodies to give out, which I haven't done in a couple years. Hopefully I'll join in some swaps. I wanted to join in the pocket letter swap, but I couldn't commit to that because you have to have it done by the 26th of January. And I understand because it's for February and you want your swap partner to have their item or their swap in before Valentine's Day. And I couldn't commit to that because I'm going on vacation with my family and there's just no way I could get that done. I mean, oh my gosh. I mean, with the holidays and all that, that was just, I couldn't do it. So here are some little sacks. I think these are from Target as well. So I do have a bunch of that. Here's some felt hearts. I love these. And I don't know if this came from the Dollar Tree years past, but I have those. I have some bigger ones. Uh, I love, oh, they're so soft. Okay. I have these I Love You card kits. This was also from Target. I used to shop a lot in Target, and I don't know, I kind of stopped. This is a sticker set from Target. I have a few of these left. Here is some red flowers. And then here's some more wooden hearts. A whole bunch of them. And then here's some hearts with holes in them. Here's some burlap hearts from Hobby Lobby. I think these are so pretty to have. And then these wooden hearts I have in my stash. I don't know. These probably came from Dollar Tree. And you can paint them. I think I've painted these hearts. These they're almost like primitive hearts. And then I have felt hearts. Oh my gosh, I have tons. And here's more felt hearts that I need to start using. And then here's more of those hearts, those wooden hearts. So I have quite a bit. I have tags with hearts on them. February 14th. These are cute. This one says Be Mine. This is just a tag. I should put that over there. I have some, red and pink paper clips to make some hidden paper clips. Here's some cupcakes with hearts on them. But lots of tags that have hearts, like these hearts here. So yeah, I put them all in here so I know to use them. I try. Then I have, like some tulle. These are a lot of tags. I'm going to try to keep them in one area. Yeah, so shop your stash, guys, because I know we all have a ton of goodies to use. And I don't know how people can keep shopping. And I mean, I do. I mean, I shop to see, what I don't have. And do I have everything? Oh, here's this one. So that is one container that I have of stuff. I did go to Dollar Tree this weekend and I found this adorable bag, this reusable bag in their section. And look how cute. They have little hearts on them and bows. I think there was like 4 different styles, but this one I had to have. I had to have it. I'm like obsessed with bows. I think we all are. But that was such a cool find. And then in my stash, I want to share that I have like this Martha Stewart punch. I think this is a Stampin' Up punch. Yeah, Stampin' Up. It's old. And then I have, you know, little punches. And then I do have like these little embellishments that I keep in these Dollar Tree containers. They're just perfect. And we have, I think Hobby Lobby has these. They come out with these every year, and these puffy, pretty heart embellishments. And then I have more heart wooden pieces. I have some sequins, little tiny heart, conversational hearts. And I think this, I want to say this was from either Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree. These are new from Dollar Tree. These are glittered table scatter, but they're so pretty. All different colors too. I mean, some white and pink and really dark red. So they're just adorable. I had to get them. And, you know, and then you get 2 packs. I think it was this and these bigger sequin conversational hearts. Well, it just says love on them. These are the ones that I think I saw at Hobby Lobby. They still have these conversational hearts. They're so cute and perfect size to add to embellishments and projects. I do have some heart-shaped buttons in my stash here. They're all here. And then these gems, I believe they came from Dollar Tree too. I did not see these at my store, but I believe that came from there. And then I have more heart-shaped, you know, felt, and then these, a friend of mine gave me these heart-shaped, glittered hearts. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. So I have tons, and just looking at all my stash, I hope I can, you know, start creating and sharing. So I just wanted to shop my stash with you all, and come and join in on the Hearts All Year collaboration with Susan and Terry. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week. I will see you guys in a couple weeks. I am going to be gone, but I'll have a lot of my videos uploaded ahead of time. So all the collaborations that I am involved in, I will not miss them this year. That is my goal. And I have not finished my Julie Nutting Doll tag for this month. Hopefully when I get back, I'm going to be busy with work when I get back, but hopefully I'll be back with my Julie Nutting tag. So thanks everybody once more, and have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.